Oh, yes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and today I'm just going to give you the tips on this hairstyle. And please just make it a point by clicking on that red button, ring the bell. That means a lot to me, and I would like to welcome all the return subscribers. Yes, today I'm going to show you something that is very nice, and we're going to be seeing the MILLIDREADS. Yes, I always start this in the middle just because most of the things that we have been seeing them and we already know it. Please, when you see Hair by Clippers, don't get twisted. That is the name of my salon, so you can go and subscribe on it on YouTube, and still you can follow it Facebook, Twitter, and on Instagram. It is there, Hair by Clippers. Yes, and my personal account, that is Maurice the Crochet Master, on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I use the Crochet Master. You can go and follow me for more. Yes, I realized that we cannot mix a lot of things in the same one video, and then I decided that if those ones who would like to know the weave-ons that I always use of these different types of hairstyle, you can just go right now on this salon channel, the Hair by Clippers with Z. Subscribe on it, because I'm going to start putting the weave-ons only, and I show you how the process that I use to make all these hairstyles, because I'm one person who always create my hairstyles, yes, myself. So like this one is MILLIDREAD, and if you want to know all the weave-ons, the package that I use, I always explain them to the other channel of Hair by Clippers. You can go and subscribe on it so that you can see all that, because there are a lot of conversation that even we always talk about when we plait hair. So we talk about them, then there you can tell each other kind of hairstyle that you'd want to do. So this time around we're going to see the MILLIDREAD, and the MILLIDREAD, it is very tricky. When you're trying to do it, it is very tricky. So I want you to look at me, uh, the way I'm doing it, and please try to do the exact thing that I'm doing. Number one is the corners. You can see how size they are spaced, and please don't try to make them small, because when you make them small, it will not be good for you. Yes, you have to space them the way you're seeing me spacing them. And I always tell you about the thing that the type of a cornrow depends the type of a crochet that you're going to use. So now, if you are going to do the MILLIDREAD, that means since the MILLIDREAD is very big in the volume, then means that the cornrows that we're going to do is also supposed to be very small. So it's the same thing I'm trying to do here. So please try to do it the way I'm doing it. And then when I realized that if I crochet it like these normal crochets that we always do, it might be painful. That's why I put it once across, and then I tie it the way you're seeing that what I'm doing, and making it very protective. This hairstyle can be washed, and it can last for 2 to 3 months according to your hairline. In fact, hairline is the best thing. Those are the things that I'm trying to explain in the other channel, like trying to tell you what you can do with your hairline. So this is what I'm trying to do, and you can see the way I'm doing it. It's very this, and you can see how we twist it, because even the twisting matters. Yes, very simple. So try to look the way I'm trying to twist up here. It is very simple, and I would like to call up everyone who is watching me, whatever you are, please just go in my right comment section and write something. Tell me wherever you're watching from, and I'd like to thank you so much, Sasha. Thank you for the gift. Oh my god, people are sending me gifts, and I don't know how I can trust me. I really appreciate what you do for me, and thank you so much. May God bless you. You can see how the twisting is very simple. Twisting is very simple, and you make sure that you trim it so that it can be neat, the way you're seeing my people how they're doing. You know, we always work as a team, yes, but the good thing is, as long as I start, they finish. there's that perfection that we always do as a team, and even to make our work easier for us, yeah, so that our client can go as soon as possible. So this hair takes like 3 hours to get done, or 2.5 hours. Yes, 2.5 hours. So this is how it looks, and trust me, it is very, very nice, very protective, and it doesn't, yes, it doesn't break hair to those ones with weak hairline. So I would advise and I recommend everyone to try out this hairstyle. Trust me, you won't regret it. And all I can say, just try to look at those steps that I use to do this and do it exactly the way I'm doing it. Please try to do it exactly the way I'm doing it. Trust me, you won't regret, because the way I'm doing it, it shows the way you also supposed to do. And if we try to practice the way we practice as we see as we're practicing, because that one makes us perfect. So don't look at something and just keep you just see it like you have learned. No way, you just have to keep on practicing it. And when it comes to this male dread, trust me, it's not that easy hair. It is very, very tricky, so you just have to be as careful as possible. Yes, so this is the whole system, this is how it goes, and trust me, it's very, very nice for me. I already love it. I love it. So I would like you guys to keep on following all these instructions the way it looks. And please, for the weave-ons, go in my description, follow that link for the YouTube. Trust me, you will see all the weave-ons, and even the way I'm explaining to you how you're supposed to use them, and the way you're supposed to put on, they're all there. So we're just trying to combine so that we learn together. So those are the things, because I see I cannot put everything in one video, and it becomes hard for me. So if we try to do it very that way, we can all understand each other. So my name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I cannot forget to tell you that I love you so much. Please, you can go on my Facebook, Maurice the Crochet Master. Yeah, follow me. Yeah, Instagram, Maurice the Crochet Master. Twitter, M Crochet Master. And still, my salon is Hair by Clippers. You can follow it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Yeah, for more pictures and all those hairstyles that you need, because sometimes I would like you to tell me those hairstyles that you want. So when you tell me that, so that means next time when I'm done, I can still put them I can still make tutorials for them. So that's why I always advise you guys, you can tell me, oh, when you go there and you read the number, you read the type of a crochet, that means you also tell me what you saw, and then I make a tutorial of the way it is. So for now, I'm going to sign out, but before, I would like you to follow these methods, and may God bless you so much.